Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cosmic Connect. Welcome to this chakra meditation practice designed to bring balance and harmony to our mind, body and soul. Find a comfortable seated position, spine straight and keep your shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Just let go of any tension here. Again, take a deep breath in. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Now, bring your awareness to the base of your spine, your root chakra. Imagine a vibrant red light glowing there. This is your foundation, your connection to the earth. Feel stable, secure, and grounded as you concentrate on this chakra. Just imagine red light glowing there and listen to the mantra of the root chakra. Lam. 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 Now, move your awareness to your lower abdomen, just below your navel, your sacral chakra. Visualize a warm, flowing orange light. This is the center of creativity, passion, and emotion. Feel the joy and fluidity here. Shift your focus to your upper abdomen, just above your navel, your solar plexus Manipur chakra. See a bright, energetic yellow light here. This is your power center, your confidence, and your personal will. Feel strong and empowered here. Ram. 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 Now, move your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart chakra, Anahat chakra. Imagine a gentle green light expanding here. This is the center of love, compassion, and healing. Just feel open and connected here. Yum. 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 Now, just bring your attention to your throat chakra, Vishuddha chakra. Visualize a clear, serene blue light here. This is the center of communication and self-expression. Speak your truth with clarity and authenticity. Hum. 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 Focus on the space between your eyebrows, the most important, Ajna Chakra, third eye chakra. See a deep, intuitive indigo light. This is the center of intuition, wisdom, and insight. Trust your inner knowing here. Finally, bring your awareness to the very top of your head, your crown chakra. Just imagine a brilliant violet or white light radiating upwards. This is your connection to your higher consciousness, to the universe. Just feel unity and enlightenment here. Beach mantra of crown chakra, the Sahasrara chakra, is A, and many people also chant Om here. Now visualize all the 7 chakras aligning and glowing brightly along your spine from root to crown. Just feel balanced, harmonized, and full of vibrant energy. Take one more deep breath in. Feel this complete energetic alignment where there is a flow of energy right from root to the crown. You can visualize golden light going through each chakra and just reaching at the top of your head, that is crown. And visualize your body is glowing as if it is a golden statue. Just visualize that there is a beautiful flower over your crown, which is a beautiful golden lotus. And you are radiating and glowing. Just visualize and feel the energy around you here. As you can see all the chakras more brighter than before. Feel the energy here. Feel the divine energy here. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Carry this peace within you. When you are ready, just rub your hands and slowly place it over your eyes. And when you are ready, just open your eyes slowly. I suggest you do this chakra meditation every day in the morning or else in the night before sleeping. Mostly try to do early in the morning. I have attached link of my detailed chakra meditation below this video where I have shared the importance of all the chakras, energy centers, and that is a more detailed video of chakra dhyan meditation. Thank you so much. Gratitude always.